Hello, everyone. Welcome back to IQ English Podcast. Today's lesson is special. We are going to a cafe together.
And I'm John. Nice to meet you again, our friends. Exactly. We'll practice simple English sentences that you can use in real life when you go to a cafe or a restaurant. This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Stay with us until the end because we'll play a fun quiz game where you can test your English. Let's go. Wow, this cafe is so cozy.
Yes, it's warm and friendly. I like it.
Can you say cozy? Repeat after me. Cozy. Great. Cozy means comfortable and nice.
Hello. Welcome. What would you like to drink?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, milk, please.
And for me, can I have a cup of tea?
Of course. One coffee with milk and one tea.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? I'd like a cup of tea, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, can I have a slice of cake?
And I'd like a sandwich, please.
Great. One slice of cake and one sandwich.
Question for you. Do you like cake or sandwiches? Write in the comments. I like cake or I like sandwiches.
John, do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning. What about you?
I love tea, but today I want coffee.
What about you? Do you drink coffee every day? Or tea? Right. I drink coffee every day or I drink tea every day.
Here are your drinks and food. Enjoy. Are you ready to pay?
Yes. How much is it?
It's $10, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Repeat after me. How much is it? Here you are. These are very useful in cafes and shops.
Let's review new words. Coffee, tea, cake, sandwich, bill, cozy.
Quick practice. I say the word in English and you say it with me. Ready? Coffee, tea. Sandwich, cake. Okay, listen carefully. I will say a short conversation. Your job is to listen and answer a question. Ready? Hello. What would you like to drink?
Can I have tea, please?
Sure. Anything to eat?
Yes, a sandwich, please.
Question for you. What did the customer order? Tea or coffee? Write it in the comment.
Now let's play a game. You are the customer. I am the waiter. Hello. What would you like to drink?
Good job. Now I am the waiter. What would you like to eat? Say your answer out loud. Number 1. I like coffee, please. Number 2. Can I have coffee, please? Number 3. Coffee give me, please. Which is correct? Answer. Number 2. Can I have coffee, please?
Here's another. I want sandwich. I'd like a sandwich, please. Sandwich I eat. Correct answer is number 2 again. I'd like a sandwich, please.
Today, we learned how to order drinks and food in a cafe. Ask how much is it. Pay the bill politely. Use important words like coffee, tea, sandwich, and cake.
Now, your final challenge. Write in the comments, what would you order in a cafe? Do you like coffee or tea?
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And remember, learning English is like drinking coffee, little by little, every day.
See you next time on IQ English Podcast. Goodbye.